well, they're Middle Ireland, and they're certainly people who get up early in the morning, and that is the phrase I used.
Hello, I'm Cahill, and these are some of the reasons why I get up early in the morning. Come with me. This is the school where I spent my early educational days. This is the story about haves and have-nots. This is the story about them and us. This isn't about town versus country. This is about an Ireland for all. I get up early because I believe in a fair education system where children are given the opportunity to learn and thrive, and teachers are treated fairly. I get up way early in the morning because mental health services in Tipperary are creaking at the seams. We need a health system that works. We need a health system that's fit for purpose. We need a health system that's acceptable for all. I get up early in the morning to fight for people who are threatened with losing their homes. We intend to regulate the vulture funds. I'm not going to sit by and watch families put out in the street to satisfy the greed of the banks. I get up early in the morning because I want social housing for those in need and affordable homes made available to working families. I get up early in the morning because I want to revitalise towns throughout Tipperary. For example, my hometown of Thurles, after a generation of neglect, must now begin the process of recovery. There is an opportunity now to capitalise on the progress at the Lachine mine site and offers endless opportunities for the rural economy. I'm Jackie Cahill, and I'm one of the early risers. I believe in a fair and inclusive society. I believe in you and me. I get out of bed early in the morning because I believe in an Ireland for all.